pancake.
You can be the children.
What are you cooking? Uli nga. Dito malayo. Parang takot ka. Sige. Yung mas mataas. Huwag lang sa sahig yan ah. Sige.
Mami, may interview. May interview.
Ikaw kaya doon mag-interview. Relebahan mo yung daddy mo. Yan. Amat na, alam na. O, agad-agad. Dahil natutunog agad yun. Pagbasa.
I have around 10 years old. I think that's around this Almaty. And again, I came back to State Farm and then I worked on the kids and influence and business.
Accenture. Okay. So in total, on your 10 years experience, you're in the Java development. How many years in the US already?
I did almost 2 years and 10 months.
Okay, sir. Can you rate yourself from 1 to 10 those technologies that I will be, asking you? 10 being the highest. How about in core Java? How do you rate yourself? How about in Spring?
Huling-huli.
How about Hibernate?
Huling-huli ka talaga. Akala mo nakita ko pinulot
How
mo
do you have
dyan.
Oracle development? You're telling me about synchronize, right? So what is synchronize?
Wala nang laman. So, wala ka talagang di.
Isa lang nga.
Ano yung sinasabi ng daddy mo? 3? 4?
Ewan ko. Nag-exaggeration lang yun si daddy. Parang kailangan niya din ako bigyan yun. Ininom niya na nasa Diyos ko kanina.
Pati juice, babawiin mo. Daniel, buksan ang tiyan mo.
Oh, let's go. Wala eh. Ayun na. GPA rate 3.193.
Kailan yung Black Friday?
Friday.
Natural Friday! Kailan ang Black Friday? Sa Friday! Punong-puno ngayon yung grocery dahil bukas Thanksgiving. So lahat nag-grocery, akala mo parang New Year, no?
Saan na?
Punong-puno. Bacon muna. Nagawa kami ng carbonara. Bacon yung ilalagay namin. Daming namimili, akala mo New Year. Ito yung pinakano nila eh. Yung sinasabi nilang celebration. Thanksgiving. Kami carbonara ang gagawin. Kasi yung kapatid ko yung turkey. Then yung isang kaibigan namin yun namang dessert. Ayan, niluluto ko na ang bacon para bukas, ready na siya. So, today is Wednesday, bukas yung Thanksgiving. Tapos, ayan, niluluto din ni Glenn yung bagnet. Ayan, so, ayan, so tatanggalin ko yung oil. Kita nyo mamaya, sobrang daming oil na makukuha ko, ilalagay ko dyan. Yan, first batch yan ng mga oil. Siguro mga kalahating tasa ang oil na matatanggal yan. Anong ginagawa mo?
Painting my nails.
Naghahanda na siya para bukas Thanksgiving. Ang makakakita lang naman ang kanyang daliri ay ako pa rin.